Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off two-step verification on your Roblox account. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and log into your account. Then, at the bottom right corner, tap the More icon. And scroll down and tap Settings. Next, tap Security. And here you'll see the option for the two-step verification. If it's enabled, it will have a check mark or toggled switch on. Simply tap it to turn off. And the Roblox may ask you to confirm with your account password. And once confirmed, two-step verification will be disabled. And you'll only need your username or password to log in. And that's it. You've successfully turned off two-step verification on Roblox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.